Hello friends, how you can repair your corrupted or inaccessible PDF files. In this situations you lost your important data. In that case we help you with SysInfo PDF recovery tool, which repair unlimited corrupt PDF files by fixing all the PDF errors in smartest way. Have a look on some of its exclusive features. Rebuilds corrupt PDF file on your system without leaking information online. This tool works in two recoveries modes, standard and advanced. Recover images, text, table, graphic etc. with utmost accuracy. Tool enabled to preview the recovered data before saving them. Compatible with all Microsoft Windows version. Let's see how it works. Within the PDF recovery interface, you can see two options to select the PDF files. Either you can select single or select multiple files. Here we will start with first select single PDF file, click on browse button and select PDF file that you need to recover. Press next button, select recovery mode. Click next to start recovery process. Now you can see the recovered data on software screen here. Also you can see recovered data in another PDF viewer by clicking here. To move forward press next. In this appeared window you have saving option. Save output files in original PDF files folder, check here if you need. Select the destination path by browsing to the location. And check save extracted image and text. Lastly press the save button. Recovery process completed, click OK. Close the application. Hope you liked the video. For more such videos, follow us on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.